In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a meeting notes hub in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable place to capture agendas, decisions, and action items so every meeting is organized and easy to find later. Start in Notion with your workspace open. At the very top left, click the small drop-down arrow next to your workspace name to open the main menu. From there, choose Templates. This takes you to Notion's template gallery. If you land on the Marketplace home, click the Templates tab at the top so you're viewing the full collection designed by Notion and the community. In the search bar, type Meeting Notes. You'll see a range of options, from simple pages to full databases. Look for a template that matches how you work. A quick tip: if you want a true hub, pick a template that's a database, not just a single page. Databases let you add properties like date, attendees, and status, and they support views like calendar or board, so you can navigate your notes faster. When you found the one you like, open its preview to scan what's included. Check for built-in fields, such as agenda sections, a space for decisions, and a place to track follow-ups. If it looks right, click Add. Notion will add the template to your workspace and create a new page you can customize. Now, edit the template so it becomes your Meeting Notes Hub. Rename the page to something clear. Meeting Notes Hub works well. Then open the database properties. Adjust or add fields you'll actually use, like date, attendees, agenda, decisions, action items, and a status or priority field for follow-ups. If you regularly meet with the same teams, create tags for each team so you can filter later. Set up helpful views. A calendar view lets you review notes by meeting date. A table view is great for quick scanning and sorting. A board view grouped by status can highlight which meetings still have open tasks. Within the database, edit the default page template so every new meeting note starts with a consistent structure. Agenda at the top, discussion notes in the middle, decisions and action items at the bottom. This saves time and keeps everyone aligned. From here on, just hit New inside the hub before each meeting, fill in the properties, and take notes directly in the page. With a few thoughtful tweaks, you've turned a template into a reliable, searchable meeting notes hub that keeps your team organized and your follow-ups on track.